Hi, I'm Brandon Welsh. I'm a school counselor at Muscatine High School and coordinator of the work-based learning program here. Today we were presenting Logan Miller, one of our graduates from last year that started this program while he was in high school, who received his official registered apprenticeship certificate for completion of our program. He's officially our first apprentice that has completed the program in welding, and so we're really in any profession or occupation, but we're really proud of Logan. We've got some great evals from Musco, and we're really appreciative of all of Musco's assistance in supporting our students. I want to first thank Musco for their partnership with us, and as I've mentioned, we've had some great success, I think, with some of the welders and some other occupations here, but we are pleased today to present Logan Miller with the certificate for registered apprenticeship in welding. They've recently changed from the Department of Labor to the Office of Apprenticeship, but same value. This shows that you are certified and a valuable not only employee but in the field of welding, and you've met a certain number of hours and a certain number of standards. So with that, we also want to tell you that you are our first member of Muscatine High School that has officially completed this program. We've had quite a few that are currently active and some prior that haven't completed. So you have the honor of being the first student that has completed the official registered apprenticeship with Muscatine High School as the sponsor. So I want to thank Musco again, and most importantly, congratulations to Logan. Congrats.
Thank you.
Yes. Appreciate it.
Pretty good, seeing as I was the first person to do it so far at the high school, through the Muscatine High School. But there's a couple other people right now still out there working. They're pretty close, a couple others that were graduated same year as me that are working with me to get the apprenticeship done. Personally, my older brother, he was welding already. He was working and he was doing TIG welding, but I started in high school and I took classes and I liked it, so I stuck with it and I made a career out of it so far. The people and the stuff I've done, it's just so many things. I've made things for here in Muscatine. I've made things for Wilton, Tipton, all over the place. Here close, in town, local, everywhere. The experience is...
Randy Wetzel, steel fabrication coordinator here at Musco. Been here 25 years. It's really kind of a neat process because not only do you get them and you can kind of help mold as they move in their career, but you show them what real life responsibilities kind of are. We really like this program because we get to know what's coming out of school. We kind of bounce some things off of our side to their side, and it's really beneficial. I'm a firm believer that you don't know whether you like it or not unless you try it. So I would highly recommend that even if it slightly interests you, give it a shot. You know, that's one way. I personally didn't weld in high school like Logan did, but as I got here, we were able to branch out, and we do a great thing of growing our team within. And I was personally able to learn how to weld here. And it's got me into a coordinator position as it is right now. So
Nick Nielsen, fabrication manager. Yeah, so we've been doing it for several years now. It started with Davenport West, but then it branched out to Muscatine for the last 3 years. The last 3 years it's really grown now that we've introduced Muscatine, because we can do it, the students can do it during their school year. Prior, they had to be graduated to do it. So Logan has been with us for 2 years now, and he worked through his whole junior year and his whole senior year. He's the first one out of the Muscatine School District that has completed this certification. So he's done great. He's learned a lot of stuff. He's a great kid. We're excited that he came to us and has been here for the whole 2 years, and we hope that continues and he becomes part of the team full time.